Hello and welcome to our discussion for today. And that is, we will be discussing the different mechanisms by which the healing, the healing and repair of damaged tissue takes place. We have a normal tissue that undergoes damage. That damage depends on the extent. There is a damage that penetrates deeper than the epithelium, and we go to the underlying tissue. So the epithelium is the frontier and the first line of cells. And we have two types of injury: a type of injury that is limited